Hello, this is Ron from Ron's RC and Drone channel. Today I had the Promark GPS Shadow Drone. Today is going to be the unboxing. I've already taken everything out of the box to save you the time of watching me cut things open. The box is right here. So, real nice box handle. You can the drone came with the prop guards already on, so you can actually use the box to transport the drone around, not remove the prop guards every time. Alright, I'm going to start backwards from most unboxings. Going to go with the drone first and work down to the least interesting things at the end. I maybe have a little surprise at the end. So it comes fully assembled. It fits in the box fully assembled. It's got the props on here. It's got the light blue on the front and the black on the back. This is for orientation, so you know which way the drones are facing by the color of the props. Shout out to Burbank Cruise. I know he's a big fan of that. This is a brush motor quad. It's very similar in weight and size to a SEMA X8, which is a copy of the like the Phantom 2, Phantom 3 series. What's different about this one is it has a tilting camera on it. It has a wheel on the TX that you can move the camera up or down on. It has a little antenna here for the Wi-Fi FPV reception, and there's the memory card slot right on the back there. So you do have a memory card on board. So you get you don't drop any frame rates, setting it Wi-Fi back to your phone. So it's it's a good quad. The legs are sturdy. I've done a few little test flights and it seems to land well. I haven't seen tip over, and I did it. I flew it one time in some gusty wind and still didn't tip over. The usual. It's got lights on the bottom. It's got these little lights on the top. The lights flash when you're doing your compass calibration, and you're resetting your gyro, so that they're all signals and indicators. So that's the drone. Next I'll move on to the transmitter. It's a nice transmitter. I'll jump right to the part I find most exciting is that it doesn't take AA batteries. It has a port here where you plug the USB style cable in and you recharge it. So no messing with the with batteries. And it has a little hook here, so you can put a lanyard around your neck and leave it dangling. And also it has a thing here for your put your phone in, because again it's a Wi-Fi FPV flyer. I have an iPhone 10X, and it fit easily in there. The 10X is like a 5.5-inch phone. It's not the biggest phone out there. I'm sure there's bigger Android ones that may have trouble fitting in here, but it should fit most standard phones. Here it has like two little antennas here. I haven't taken this apart. I don't know if they're real or fake, but they're so small. I don't know why they would fake these little small ones. So I'm guessing they're real. It supposedly has like a 400-500 meter range to it. So this is your your up and down, yaw, right and left, and this is your up, down, right, left. Over here. Power button here. It has return to home, automatic land and takeoff here. On the side here, it has this button is camera, this button is video, and this button is your this is the angle button. So how you angle the it's actually a button, a scroll wheel, how you angle the the camera tilt up and down. It's not like, don't expect a real smooth DJI like yell up and down. It's kind of jerky up and down. And on this side here we have our let me get real close here. This is our follow me button, and this is our headless mode button, and this is our speed rates here. I've only played with this a little bit. I don't know, like if it how adjustable it is, whether we have 2, 3 speed rates or anywhere in between. It's gonna we'll determine that in further testing. That about covers it. It's it's a lightweight TX. It's not real heavy, but it feels very solid for a toy drone. So that's the TX for now. You get, which is unusual, you get 2 extra landing legs in case you have a rough landing and break either of the landing legs. And here you get a set of prop guards. In fact, you get 6 prop guards, so you have 2 extras in case you have a bad crash. I haven't quite figured out how to get them on yet, but I'll get to that in a later video. So again, 2 extra prop guards. A complete extra set of props here, and color coded just like originally on it. So again, hard crash, you got a full set of prop guards, and they give you 2 of these little extra caps that go on top of the props in case you lose those also. Of course, I don't know why you only get 2 of these and 4 props, but Matt doesn't add up, but I couldn't find any more in the box. You get a little screwdriver. You get a little bag of screws that says blade protector, and you get a prop guards obviously, and you get 4 little screws in a bag marked spare blade. So I'm not sure. I guess they're for the props. And you get a real nice manual here. Not one of those little small ones where you can't read the print without a magnifying glass, and it even has like color in it, and it's only in English, and it's well written English too, so that's a plus. And it even gives you a little what do you call these little things here? You scan them and you go to the YouTube videos on it, and the YouTube videos are decent on it. And for the grand surprise at the end here, it comes with a set of VR goggles. And if you don't know how this works, you put your, and this is a little tight here, I've already tried it once. You put your phone in there, and you close up, and with Wi-Fi FP you could fly. These are they're padded, they're fairly comfortable. They're like a cheap set of VR goggles you'd buy at Walmart or something like that. But they do have the adjustable focal range up here where you can make them wider, and you can bring them closer or farther away from your eyes, which is kind of a good thing. Even though I have worn glasses for years and don't have good vision, I can actually use these ones where I can adjust them in and out without wearing my glasses. So again, this is a big plus for me. So I definitely will try a little Wi-Fi FPV flying out with these. That's about it for the unboxing. I think I've covered everything here. If you have any questions, link it down below in the comments section, and I'll try to answer any of them. The GPS Shadow Drone was provided by Bryan Singleton, aka True Drone Reviews, on YouTube and Facebook and probably everywhere else. He has one of the best channels on YouTube. He's True Drone Reviews. The title's accurate because he mostly buys his stuff. He doesn't have to say something's good just to keep a sponsor happy. And he's a great guy. He sends out more drones to people than anybody else I know. And in fact, he is a great thing. Instead of running like contests, he just gives the drones to his his most loyal followers, which is a great idea, really. Okay, so I don't go too long on this unboxing video. I'm going to stop here, and I'll be back soon with a test flight, which I know everybody wants to see anyways, so that's coming soon. All right, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe when you're done watching. So thanks again. See you on the next one.